Hey, it's Joe here. Let me ask you a quick question. What if I told you that you could get twice as much done every day without spending a single extra minute working? Sounds impossible, right? Well, stick around, because today I'm revealing 10 genius productivity hacks using AI that will completely change how you work. Now, we've all seen productivity tips before. Wake up earlier, drink more coffee, eliminate distractions. But what I'm about to share goes way beyond the basics. These hacks leverage powerful AI tools that most entrepreneurs and busy professionals aren't even aware of yet. Curious how AI can dramatically boost your daily productivity? Let's dive right in. Hack number 1 is all about managing your inbox. Emails are a massive productivity killer. How much time do you spend every day just sorting through emails? Too much, right? Well, AI tools like SaneBox or Mail Butler can intelligently sort and prioritize your emails, instantly removing clutter and highlighting what's important. Imagine opening your inbox to find it already organized, critical emails waiting at the top. Sounds good, doesn't it? But here's the twist. What if you didn't even need to reply to emails yourself? This brings us to hack number 2, AI email drafting. Tools like ChatGPT can generate personalized email responses instantly. You just paste a quick summary of the reply you need, and within seconds you have a professionally written email ready to send. Think about how much time this frees up every single day. Now, if you thought automating emails was impressive, wait until you see hack number 3, AI-powered calendar scheduling. Ever feel like scheduling meetings is a time-consuming game of ping pong? Tools like Reclaim or Clockwise automatically organize your calendar based on your preferences, priorities, and even your energy levels throughout the day. These AI assistants not only book meetings but ensure they're scheduled at the optimal times for your productivity. Imagine never wasting time again on calendar conflicts. Speaking of saving time, hack number 4 is a game changer if you create content. Whether you're writing social media posts, blogs, or even scripts like this one, tools like Jasper AI and Copy AI can dramatically speed up the process. Just type in your topic or a quick prompt, and these AI tools produce high-quality content instantly. You'll be shocked at how much quicker and easier content creation becomes. But now you're probably wondering, what about video meetings and calls? Can AI help there too? Absolutely, and this leads us right into hack number 5. AI transcription tools like Otter.ai and Fireflies record your meetings and instantly generate detailed, accurate transcripts. No more scribbling notes or rewatching lengthy recordings. And here's the kicker, you can even use AI to summarize these transcripts, instantly capturing key insights and action points. So we've covered emails, calendars, content creation, and meeting notes. But how do you stay focused when working on important tasks? This brings us to hack number 6, AI focus assistants. Apps like Motion or Rescue Time analyze your daily activities and gently nudge you when you start drifting off task. They can even help you structure your day for peak productivity by highlighting your most productive hours and suggesting when to tackle challenging tasks. Now, let's quickly shift gears. What if you could delegate your repetitive admin tasks to an assistant who never sleeps? Hack number 7 is about AI-powered workflow automation tools like Zapier and Make. These incredible tools automate tasks across different apps, completely eliminating repetitive manual work. Want your customer inquiries automatically turned into tasks, or your sales data instantly entered into a spreadsheet? These tools handle it all seamlessly. By now, you might be thinking, can AI also help with decision-making? Great question, and that's exactly hack number 8. AI-powered analytics tools like MonkeyLearn or Power BI rapidly analyze massive datasets and instantly provide actionable insights. Whether it's customer feedback, market trends, or internal productivity data, you'll get clear, precise recommendations in seconds, not hours. Imagine making smarter business decisions effortlessly. Now, just when you thought we'd covered everything, emails, calendars, meetings, admin tasks, and decision-making, There's something even more powerful I haven't shared yet. What if AI could actually help manage your daily stress and improve your mental clarity? Well, it absolutely can, and that's precisely what hack number 9 is all about. AI-powered mindfulness apps like Headspace or Calm use smart algorithms to deliver personalized relaxation exercises exactly when you need them most. Feeling overwhelmed after a hectic morning? These apps sense your stress levels and suggest a quick, calming meditation to instantly refresh your focus. We've covered a lot of ground, but the best hack is yet to come. This final productivity hack combines everything we've discussed into one cohesive, incredibly powerful productivity system. Can you imagine the possibilities when your workflow, scheduling, emails, notes, and even stress management are perfectly automated and seamlessly integrated? You won't believe how efficient your day can become. Stick around because in just a moment, I'm going to reveal exactly how you can set up this ultimate AI-powered productivity system. Trust me, once you've seen this, you'll never look at productivity the same way again. The ultimate productivity hack is combining multiple AI tools into one fully integrated, unstoppable system. Imagine starting your day with your inbox already sorted by importance, emails drafted and ready to send, and your calendar perfectly organized. Now imagine having content created in minutes, meetings transcribed instantly, repetitive tasks automated, and detailed insights available at your fingertips. It might sound futuristic, but it's completely achievable right now. Here's exactly how to set up your ultimate productivity system. First, choose an AI-powered email management tool, like MailButler or SaneBox, to clear email clutter. Integrate this with a content generation tool, such as Jasper AI, to handle your email replies and written content effortlessly. Next, pair this setup with a smart calendar like Reclaim, ensuring your day is structured for maximum efficiency. But here's where things get exciting. Connect all these apps together using Zapier. Zapier acts as your digital glue, automating workflows across apps. For example, incoming customer inquiries can automatically trigger personalized email responses, update spreadsheets, or even schedule follow-up tasks in your calendar. By now, you're probably wondering, can this system handle team communications and meetings too? Absolutely. Use Otter.ai or Fireflies to record and transcribe meetings, instantly generating actionable summaries that automatically populate your task management tool, like Asana or Trello, through Zapier. And here's a powerful bonus. Integrate AI-driven analytics with tools like MonkeyLearn. This means you get immediate insights on customer feedback or sales data, allowing you to make smart, data-driven decisions swiftly. With all these components in place, your productivity skyrockets without extra effort. Now, let's not forget mental clarity and stress management, essential components of peak productivity. Incorporate AI-powered mindfulness apps like Calm into your workflow. Schedule short breaks throughout your day automatically with Reclaim, and let Calm deliver personalized mindfulness exercises exactly when your stress peaks. When you implement this integrated system, you'll notice incredible benefits immediately. Fewer distractions, seamless workflows, instant decision-making, and significantly less stress. Imagine the freedom and clarity you'll have when mundane tasks practically handle themselves, leaving you free to focus on high-impact work. At this point, you might think, this must be complicated or expensive to set up. Surprisingly, it's neither. Most of these tools offer free tiers or affordable subscriptions, and you don't need any advanced technical skills. Setting up integrations takes minutes, not hours, and the return on investment is phenomenal. So, where do you start? First, identify your biggest productivity bottlenecks. Is it emails, meetings, content creation, or perhaps all of the above? Once you know your pain points, select the corresponding AI tools and set them up individually first. As you get comfortable, begin linking them together with Zapier, creating a powerful, cohesive productivity machine tailored specifically to your workflow. Here's an insider tip. Start small. Maybe begin with automating your emails and calendar first. Once you're comfortable, gradually add transcription, analytics, and mindfulness tools into your workflow. This ensures a smooth transition without overwhelming yourself. Think about the competitive advantage you'll gain. While others struggle with distractions and inefficiencies, you'll breeze through your tasks effortlessly, leaving ample time to innovate, strategize, and grow your business. But here's the best part. You're not just boosting your productivity, you're actually reclaiming your time. Time you can spend growing your business, learning new skills, or simply enjoying life more. That's the true power of AI-driven productivity. It doesn't just optimize your work, it transforms your life. Before we wrap up, here's my challenge for you. Commit to automating at least one productivity bottleneck today. Whether it's sorting your emails, generating content faster, or simply managing your stress better, take action now. You'll be amazed at the immediate impact just one simple step can have on your overall productivity and happiness. So tell me, what's the first hack you're going to implement? Drop your answer in the comments. Let's start reclaiming your time together and building a smarter, more productive future today.